Do you want to help me make a video about CryoFuel? You just need dinner? Koki? Okay. Alright, I'll just drain a little bit out of here. Oh crap, that doesn't look good at all. Whoa, nuts. Alright, hey YouTube, Male Cat Lady here. So I'm 4 months into my first time ever using EKWB Cryo Fuel Solid. I am using their nice purple color, and just wanted to drain a little bit of the fluid out and I guess see how it's looking. To me it looks freaking great. It still is holding a very, very nice deep purple color. I haven't got any of that pink kind of hue that other people have gotten. If you know, well, that spooked them. If you look at this aviation gin I got here, you can see this is kind of watered down version of the purple. It looks quite pink. If you look at my close-up shot here, it still looks very purple on my nice little light here. You can see it's very thick. This bright light does not even shine through it one bit. So it's really thick. You can barely tell it's even moving inside here in the pump when the pump's running. And if you look at this video, you can see that not any visual staining of anything that I can see. I guess I'd have to tear down my blocks and everything to see if anything else is looking funny, but so far, from what I can tell, the fluid still looks really good and healthy. My reservoir looks nice and clean. The hoses look good. I'm sure there's probably some leaching with these hoses, but because they're just cheap-ass hardware hoses. But yeah, it looks great to me. 4 months in, it's still holding pretty true to the same color. If you can see any differences in my side-by-side from when I first installed it, you know, it's probably pretty hard to duplicate it, but yeah, it's 4 months in, looks pretty good. Got another 8 months left before its shelf life is up, but overall, still really happy with the color. I'd use the EKWB Cryo Fuel Solid again in future builds, maybe in the same color. It's a good looking color. And as always, if you enjoy what I'm doing here, hit that subscribe button. If you don't enjoy it, well, you already know what to do. Yeah, throw your questions down below though, if you have any, or comments, concerns, anything else that you need addressed or what have you, hit me up. Thanks for watching.